this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and hidden treasure and facilities also. As you can see, this is from the location. And there is also some landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and numbers online that are given by the experience of this. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the superb. A set of reviews is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. Try to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily